So we talked a bit about snoring, but what are the nasal causes of snoring? So I already told you snoring is multifactorial or multi-level, but in the nose specifically, it can be from a deviated nasal septum, which is the middle part that divides the nose into left and right, being bent or deformed or misshapen. It can be from turbinate hypertrophy, which are the cushions that line the nose to help warm the air and filter pollution and pollen. They can be quite big, and that can lead to snoring. You could have nasal polyps, which is if people have sinus disease and benign polyps in the nose, that can help block airflow and therefore make things a bit worse for your breathing. There's a whole range of things that can cause this problem, but the most common one is rhinitis, inflammation in the nose. So if you have any of the things I've mentioned before, plus rhinitis or inflammation or swelling in the lining of the nose, then it means things are even more worse. So if your airflow is impaired and not free to travel from the front of your nose to the back, you can get disturbed airflow and therefore lead to snoring. So they're the nasal causes of snoring.